Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Jack on Tracks in the Back Shop. Yes, this is a disaster and a mess, but we're going to work with it. I want to start playing with something. So I'm not sure if it came out yet, but I think, well, here it is. I got a Bachmann HO scale rail bus. I got it at Train World. I think it was at sale. I think I paid like $10 for it. All right, brand new. I tested it. It tested out fine, and it's undecorated. So my goal here with this project, there's going to be a project, there's going to be ongoing, is one, I'm going to put a decoder in it, but I'm not going to put just any decoder in it. I'm going to put a Next 18 decoder in it because inside this thing is basically an N scale drive. So it should be fine. Now, the problem is that this isn't set up for a Next 18, but I got these from, was it Lassie DCC? Probably saying it wrong. So, I mean, this is like tiny, super small, so everything should fit. I should have no problem fitting it in this gigantic room where I could easily shove one of these bad boys in with sound. Ooh, did I say sound? Oh. Ooh, that, no. Yeah, probably will. But I'm waiting for maybe a lower budget, like maybe an Economy Next 18. That would be nice. So let's take this bad boy apart. All right, so I never used, doing a lot of I never did before stuff, so this should be interesting. I did pop this apart earlier just to look inside when I tested it, and it comes apart relatively easily. So I only need this part here, the only part that matters, which is where all the stuff's going into. Open this little lid here. All right, take these windows out. Does they come out? I don't. Oh, yeah, that one comes out too. That's not really. That wasn't really held in good. I'm probably gonna. I don't know why I say probably. I'm definitely gonna paint this thing. But the one thing it is definitely getting today is getting a set of LED headlights. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I hate that. Almost like a mold line right there. It looks kind of tacky. But yeah, I'm thinking about it. I think I'm gonna throw on the. There we go. I'm gonna throw on the LEDs. I don't think this piece comes off. I think this, but I mean, I could be mistaken. Just give it a little. Might just slide on. No. Looks like it's bonded on. Oh, wait. All right. Well, it was semi-glued on there. So now it's semi-not glued on there. I think that grill comes off, too. That I don't know. We're not going to worry about that right now. But these are going to get headlights. You're going to get LEDs. So it just happens to be that somewhere on this mess, I just had them. I'm down to my last two warm white LEDs, but yet I have another packet. Same size. So because these take a little time to set up, we're going to pull these out. We're going to test them. The funny thing is that controller, that decoder, has like, I want to say like 6 functions. Got 15 different light effects. I'm like you guys know, I'm kind of getting back in the swing of things, so a lot of stuff is new to me, like DCC. So, DCC is not new to me, but the stuff that you can do with it is. So. That one works. All right, that works too. Okay. All right, guys, we're going to do a lot of bouncing around with this. But I really don't want to have a 4-hour video on this. I just want to do it quick. So, I'm gonna edit out me getting these lights up and running. So we're just gonna use a little cappy glue. I'm gonna glue these LEDs onto here. I put a little bit on there now. Once they dry on there, I come back and I put a good deal more on top. All right, so here we go. We got to take this unit apart. This is just basically an N gauge drive line in here, from what everyone has told me. And that's it. All right. We are going to figure out how to get power from the frame. Sadly, I don't know how I'm going to get power from these wheels. So we're going to have to go to this frame, I think. All right, so let me put this over here for now. I can't figure out how to run the wires up through there, but we'll do another look. It's held together with screws. Good. Gotta come in here and isolate this motor. I don't know what that is, but I'm pretty sure we don't need that. And that might be where we're going to take our power from. May have to use that. Looks like this pin broke on this. There's the bottom of it. It's Delron, so there ain't no throwing it back. All right, so those are the power pickups. so this is the black side. This is the red side. All right. So it looks like that since I'm not going to have that spring in there, we have the room for the wire. This is way more than I'm going to need. I probably could have used this piece of scrap. Probably should use that piece of scrap. I got another piece of scrap, right down here. I'll go with that. Oh, look at that. All right, let me figure this out. I might go with that scrap. All right, so that leaves me, well, I got a 50-50 chance of getting this right. And if I don't, we'll be going back in here and changing out these wires. All right. There's a unique little thing on there, so let's go take a look. There may be, and there is. All right. There's a plus and a minus. Thank you. Not to say that I'm going to put this in and it's not going to run backwards, but there is a plus and a minus. So I'm going to wire this up and then we'll come back. All right, guys. So I got the motor wired and we'll put this puppy back together again. All right. So we got that in there. Here's the decoder. Where did my little things go? Oh, come on. I got these little boards. So this is basically, yeah, so that decoder is going to sit below the board, I think. Got to figure out, I think I can use these little straps, these little eyelets, as the pickups. So that's what I'm going to try to do. That should be that one. I don't know what solder these companies use because, man, some of this stuff is so hard. Okay, so what I want to do, let's see how flat I can get it. Yeah, that's going to work. Okay. So that's what we're going to do. All right, that's the front. So that's red. tin these pads, and that's what we're going to do. I mean, it's somewhat self-explanatory. I would have preferred some instructions, but I can't find them. I even contacted the company itself, and no one really got back to me. I mean, I got this board off of AliExpress. It's the same one they're selling on eBay. I got this for like $3.95 and like $3 shipping. So I bought a bunch of them just to try it. If I like it and it works, and this motor in this unit checks out, this one's getting it in there too, because I'll have room in it, but I think that one's going to draw too many amps. I got room in there for a speaker. If I can get a little tiny sound decoder in there, I can get sound in that unit. And I think that'd be really cool in my little industrial yard. All right, so I don't need all this wire. So let's get this motor done first. So, hypothetically, I could be able to plug that decoder in, and this should run. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this over to the test bench, and I'm just going to check it out really quick, and then we'll come back. All right, right back. All right, so because I can, I'm going to put a plug on this thing. Probably going to come back later on and revisit this plug with a bigger plug, because I think I'm going to, if I can get the red LEDs, red and yellow LEDs, I'll put lights in the back. All right, so. All right, that's what I got here. I got blue, I got white. All right, guys, so we're back, and it looks a little different, right? Okay, so what happened was, after I got the shell on there, I noticed that I was way up too high for here, and kind of what I want to do, and I'm planning to do, is I'm going to lay a piece of styrene across the top, and I'm going to put people on it. I'm a people person. That's kind of what my plan is going to be. And also, where I had that board, it was like screaming up, like staring right up in those windows. I'm like, that does not look good at all. And then I said to myself, why did I put it there? Well, I could have put it there. So instead of boring you with the whole installation, I just replaced the wires with some longer wires, tested it out, everything looks good. I blacked out the back of the LEDs, so they're gonna look a little tauter in there. I think they're gonna look pretty. They're gonna look like really cool like that. Yeah, we're gonna go from there. I gotta see. What the windows kind of help hold this whole thing together. So we're gonna work on that in a second. We're gonna get those slid in there. Still waiting for that to dry a little more. These windows aren't getting glued in place just yet because this whole thing is gonna get painted. I haven't decided what color it is. Looking online to see what color what color the Pennsylvania Maintenance Away vehicles were. The pickup trucks, the only thing I'm finding are pickup trucks, and they're all Tuscan, which is fine by me because I actually think they look pretty nice. Oh, of course. All right, I got one little wire hanging up in here. So. We're going to put this on the test track. I'm going to take you with me. We're going to turn it on. I did test this before after I got the decoder in, wired in, and it worked fine. The big question is how these headlights, actually, those look actually really nice. Pretty good, blacked out like that. Yeah. I don't know what's on the front of this thing. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna pause you. I'll bring you over to the test track, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, we're back on the back at the test track again. Opened up my JMRI. Hit identify. I'm doing the hokey pokey. We found it. Open up the throttle. Turn on power. Been a little bit better before. All right. Maybe I just gotta do a little adjustment. If that works. Oh, hold on a second. Oh, lights came on. There's the lights. Right now they're directional. Runs pretty quiet. Yeah, so that's basically it, guys. We did the next 18 works fine in it. It's small enough and it's pretty much hidden. Some of my wiring is a little exposed more than I'd like it to be, but we'll figure that out. And we'll go from there with that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification button. And as always, catch you later.